Hey, what's up guys? This is Exploring Nova. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a short walk around my neighborhood. It is January 6th, 2025. The time right now is about 6:30 p.m. It's still snowing out here. As you can see, the roads have not been treated around here. That's because they are mainly treating the main roads first. After the storm, stops, then they will treat, the neighborhoods and all the other roads. I would estimate that it has snow, like about maybe a foot of snow in some places. And right now I'm trying to be really careful walking up the hill right here, because beneath all the snow here, there's maybe a good 2.5 inch thick layer of ice, and it's very slippery. There's no way my car would be able to make it up this hill. It'll definitely make it downhill. But I'll definitely will not risk that. So we're gonna have to wait a little bit for a driving tour. But I wanted to come out and show you guys a little bit of how it's going right now with this weather. Unfortunately, I was not able to come out earlier and do the video because I do work from home, and I just recently finished work. But hopefully you guys are able to appreciate a little bit of the snow here. Look at the houses here. Nobody outside. Everybody's inside their house. Probably looking at me like, what is that guy doing? They're thinking that I'm crazy. Well, I've been stuck in the house the whole day, and I've been wanting to really come out and do the video during the daytime, but unfortunately my responsibilities at work did not allow that. It is a little bit windy and snow still falling. It is supposed to end around 8 or 9, and the estimates of the total snow on the ground will be about a foot here in the Northern Virginia area. Yeah, see, I almost slipped right there. Not a good thing. So a lot of neighbors look like they came out and swept their driveways a little bit, but I'm pretty sure they will have to treat them again in the morning, because this has not finished yet, and might get another 2 or 3 inches on the ground by the end of all. Snow does change the way the landscape looks. It's usually a very, very well kept street. Well, I hope you guys got a good view of this, guys. Phew. I'm not sure if I should keep going up. It is really treacherous. I'm like taking my time walking up this thing. By the way, I'm wearing some insulated pants under my jeans, some winter socks, some waterproof boots, and 2 sweaters, puffer jacket, and a windbreaker. Also a hat. Forgot my gloves, so have my hands inside the pocket. Man, I really wish I had come out during the daytime. Okay, some of the sidewalks have not been cleaned yet. Let's see if I can make it up the hill, because it's really slippery. See over there, I got some kids playing outside. They're the ones that have the most fun. That's a good thing. We don't get a lot of snow around this area every year, so you know, whatever little bit we get, if it's this much, we take advantage of that. Whoa, there's some really deep snow in this. Hey, I wonder if I'll be able to make it up that hill. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. It's been an adventure so far. And if you like this video, give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully in the future, we'll explore more places outside of Virginia and show you guys, you know, the point of view from a Northern Virginia guy. Wow, I really need to start working out, because this is beating me down a little bit, but I'm still going, guys. Hopefully I will not slip and break my leg, and that will be the end of the channel. Well, so far it's easy breezy. Wow, they did a good job cleaning the driveway. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whew. Currently I am walking around Woodbridge, Virginia. This is about 35 minutes south of Washington, D.C., right along the east corridor of I-95. Look, nobody went to work today. Well, most of the people. Man, there was just no way to get into this little neighborhood. Well, so far it's good. I'm almost at the pinnacle of the hill. I can hear the the dogs barking inside the houses. They see me passing by and they're like, what the heck is that guy? Look at that car. It's got to be at least a good 10 to 11 inches of snow on top of it. Oh, that reminds me, I gotta clean my car. Look at that truck. That's the only way I can cruise around here. Now, they're saying that the main roads are in good condition. It's just a matter of getting to the main roads out of your neighborhood. But I would not recommend that. If you don't have a 4x4 vehicle, I would not dare. Ooh. Well, I am getting there. I'm getting to the top of the hill. Look at this tree right here. Is it a tree or a bush? It's all covered in snow. Lucky kids got extended winter vacation this year. I don't think they're going back for a whole week. It's gonna take time to melt. And the temperatures are not going up. They're gonna stay below 30. Probably the highest will be 34. Yeah, definitely not enough to melt all this. And strangely enough, for this area, Saturday, we might get another storm. Ooh, man, that was a workout. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. Oh, but that looks like a fire truck trying to help somebody or something there. I don't know if I should go down that way. Let's go take a look. Wow, look at that tree. I don't know if you guys can see it. Go, saving the day. Stuck in there. Trying to be really careful walk on the street right now. Really slippery. Even the snowplow is having issues trying to scrape all the ice. Just helps to make a little path to drive on, but if you don't have all-weather tires, you pretty much out of luck here. There's no grip on the ground at all. Whew. Now I know that there's other places where it snows a lot worse than this, but for us here in Northern Virginia, this is really huge, chaotic. I can feel the snowflakes pelting my face a little bit faster right now. It is not gonna significantly add up to anything at this point, but at this rate in the morning, all this soft fluffy snow will be perfect for sledding, because it will be compacted so much and hardened so much by the low temperatures overnight. The kids are going to have fun tomorrow, that's for sure. See if I can take a little shortcut here. Go through the elementary school right here. Hopefully everybody is safe, enjoying a hot cup of chocolate at home. I really wish I had come during the day. It's so bright. We'll see. I might take a little break tomorrow and do a quick walk to see the aftermath. But this is how it looks at night. This is very cold out here. Oh yeah, there's no way the kids are coming back to school for a whole week. This is gonna need some major work to clean all this snow. Whew, let me check my lens. It's getting wet. Hopefully not. All right, let's continue. Sorry. Fix this on there. There we go. Whew, it's a workout. I don't know if you guys can see the playground out there. But there's no signs of life at this point. Yeah, this is about a foot of snow here, easily. Starting to calm down a little bit harder now. Oh, that was a workout. I think I'd rather go up that hill than walking through that thick snow. Wow. Oh, made it to one of the main roads. This don't look too bad. Good luck trying to make it out of the neighborhood. Woo! Oh yeah. Let's just walk a little bit more. And definitely, kids, don't do this at home. Stay in the house where it's safe. Leave this type of thing to me. It is really not safe to be walking out here right now, guys. Not only because crime or anything, but you can slip, fall, and break a bone. Oh no. That would definitely be a problem right now. But no worries. I'm watching my step. And then you're gonna watch me fall. Alright. Woo. I see two people walking down there. I mean, it does get boring being stuck inside the house the whole day. I'm not gonna lie. I think a few minutes outside, and that's all you need. And you start figuring out, man, I should have just stayed home. Let me clean the lens a little bit. There you go. Oh boy. Here goes the snowplow. There, look at this thing right here. Big slush. Ice and water. Ooh. That's a long trail right here. Yeah, the post office is closed. Whew. Maybe I can cut through this car dealership right here. Wow. Some thick snow right here. Whew. Yeah. Whew. Look at all this car. It'll take a while to get clean all of this thing. Wow. It's really coming down. But we must continue. Oh man, I almost slipped there. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys, and if you made it this far in the video, thank you a lot. Do appreciate you guys. I hope to make it to more places with you guys. Just give you a through point of view of what's really going on in the streets here in North Virginia, and hopefully other places. Well, this is what I wanted to see. This is Richmond Highway, or commonly known as Route 1, northbound. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the noise of the cars, but this is one of the main roads to get into the city. This is north and this is south. So it looks like they've done a pretty good job pre-treating it. There's a lot of cars driving right now, not as as much as on a regular day, but for a day like this, they did a good job. Good job, Prince William County. Thanks for keeping our roads in shape for us that have to work outside, you know, get to our place of work and come back home. I hope everybody that had to go out to work today had a good day and made it safe back home. And for those that are going to work right now, take your time, play it safe, don't take any risk. Don't take any risk that is not worth it. All right, guys. Whoa, wow. I was hoping the McDonald's will be open, but never mind. Really happy for them. Really good job, McDonald's. I see you. You do care about your employees. Good job. Good job. They deserve a day off and stay home safe. Oh, Food Lion is open. I don't know if I should go in there and get me something, but I feel like buying some eggs, but I don't think it would make it to my house in one piece. It'd probably be a frozen omelet by the time I get home. So never mind that. Yeah, you see nothing but four-wheel drive parked outside right now. That wouldn't be a bad idea, having a four-wheel drive. Someday. I hope. Well, guys, I think I'm going to end the video right here in the middle of this shopping center. I hope you guys got a pretty good idea how bad it gets, or how good it gets for some people when it snows pretty hard in Northern Virginia. Now, we only seen a little section of Virginia, but if it looks like this around here, I can only imagine how it is farther north or farther northwest. And if you're out there in those areas, keep it safe, enjoy a hot cup of chocolate, stay home, watch movies. If you don't have to go outside, stay inside. And if you do, once again, take care of yourself. And thank you for watching, guys. And hopefully soon I will do a driving video. And we'll see how the roads look after all this passes in a few more days. Thank you, and y'all have a good night.